Currently, we have a group of 40 regular participants in the ecological restoration practice. But we all recognize that as soon as we have a water quality problem in an ecological setting, we have 200 practitioners. If we need a hydraulic engineer or a hydrologist, we have 50 to 60 of the world's greatest hydraulic engineers that we could bring to bear on a project like this. So Geosyntec has a strong track record in technical excellence, and we're very well known for our remediation practices. We're very well known for our geotechnical practices. And we have a strength in hydrology and hydraulics, water resources. As part of that, we've grown individually. And really what's happening is, as these groups grow and they start to collaborate with each other, we start to realize that we have our fisheries scientists, we have our lake and water body scientists who work very closely with our hydrologists and our hydraulic engineers to really understand how these systems, not just individually processes, but these systems interact together. And because of Geosyntec's strong track record of technical excellence and collaboration, it really allows us to bring these individuals together to the forefront of a project, rather than being an afterthought of, oh, and let's make sure we don't injure a wetland resource. We bring it to the forefront and say, let's plan ahead. What does the wetland require? And build around it to make a more holistic type project.